Hello everyone, Shikha this side from Technical Cloud Knowledge. So today I'm going to talk about something very important on load balancer. Most of you wants to know how load balancer distribute the traffic. Most of you have an idea as well, but let me tell you in brief. Essentially, load balancer acts as a traffic cop. It serves all the single point of contact for clients. The load balancer distributes incoming application across traffic throughout multiple targets such as EC2 instance in multiple availability of zones. It also increases the availability of your application too. After that, you can add one or more listeners to your load balancer. In order to get more insight into real world of work, you should like, share and subscribe our channel Technical Cloud Knowledge. So that's it for today. Keep watching.